Hello from Cookbook Divas. My name is Carrie, and today I'd like to look through A Table for Friends with You, The Art of Cooking for 2 or 20 by Sky McAlpine. And I'm a little bit sad because, of course, we're still in the pandemic and can't have a lot of friends over, even though it's legal. My backyard is really rainy and cold, so I miss hosting for my friends. But I love that this cookbook includes recipes just for the two of us. Let's check it out. When did this come out? Oh, came out in late 2020. Bloomsbury Publishing. Whoa! And it starts right off. Giant cookbook, as you can see. Chapter 1. Oh, it starts off with why I cook, planning a menu, setting the scene, stars, sides, sweets, and extras. Okay. Oh, and then it ends up with how to cook by season, how to cook by numbers, and how to cook by timings. I have to say I'm pretty good at timing things and getting it all on the table at the same time, but not everyone has that skill. But I'm not so good on the flavor, so I guess you can't have it all. Beautiful startup. Ooh, beautiful photos. Why I cook, I'll go read this later when I look through cookbooks with you. I haven't taken a preview, although I do go on Instagram and flip through really quickly in Reels, so if you like that kind of thing, check out our Instagram at Cookbook Divas. Beautiful table settings. I'm loving the photography so far. Can't show you the whole book. I'm trying to skip ahead to some of the food, but look at this beautiful photo. Okay, let's get to the recipes. Ooh, this looks amazing. That is burrata with preserved lemons, mint, and chili, and I actually have all of the ingredients to make that in my house right now because I just bought some burrata. I didn't buy that much because there's only 2 of us here. Ooh, and here's mozzarella with celery, olives, and pine nuts. I wouldn't have thought of serving it that way. I like this. And there appears to be a picture for every recipe. Ha! Chilled almond soup. Good idea for summer when it's too hot to eat hot soup. Here's another chilled soup, gazpacho. I'm loving this. Whoa! Carpaccio of figs with lardo, honey, and rosemary. Don't know what lardo is. I'm assuming it's not lard. I'll have to look that up later. I don't have to be an expert just to enjoy looking through cookbooks. Sicilian couscous salad. Notice that everything is so far vegetarian, but not vegan. Wintry saffron couscous. That is beautiful. Oh my god, I might need to own this. Wow. Okay. Wow. Tuscan panzanella. Well, no wonder this cookbook is huge. There's a picture for every recipe. Okay. I gotta skip ahead to a different chapter because I can't show you every page, but spaghetti with creamy lemon sauce. Yum! Okay, so these are the stars. Sausages with grapes. Okay, we're no longer vegetarian. Yay. Okay. Allegra's pot roast beef. There you go. Not something I would serve, but you need to know about it. Ossobuco with sage and lemon. I'm sure people would freak out with joy when they came to your house and you served them that. A poulet anglais. English chicken. Whole poached cold salmon. I live in Seattle where salmon is a big deal and people eat it all the time. I believe I'm in a different chapter now. Not sure. Loving these photos. Tagliatelle gratin. And suddenly we have no picture and a 2-page recipe. Nope, there it is. And buttery lemon roast chicken. So the pages are color-coded, which is going to help me scoot ahead to the next chapter. And an example of a beautifully set table. The next chapter is sides. Let's see what, for example, a really good green salad. Yes. But don't serve it on Thanksgiving because on Thanksgiving no one ever eats salad. Tomato, red onion, and mint salad. I wouldn't think of a salad as a side, but I guess it is. Beetroot and mint salad. Okay, this author loves mint, I can tell. Braised lentils with pancetta, or in my case, with tofu. Saffron fennel. Wow. Nice. Asparagus with lemon and toasted almond gratin. Okay, we'll look at one more. Buttery carrots with chestnut honey. Ooh, nice. Okay, let's go to the next chapter with the pink pages. The simplest roast potatoes. Who doesn't love those? Roast new potatoes with bay leaves, which I haven't served it that way before. Butter and sage roast pumpkin. Now, are we still in sides? Because this seems like sides. Yes, we are still in sides. I don't know why the page colors changed. Courgette blossom and taleggio galette. I love making galettes and tarts. Okay, I'm going to a different color hoping it's, aha, sweets. This will be fun. Can't wait to see the pictures. Chocolate chestnut meringue, winter fruit and mascarpone, rum raisin and walnut ice cream. No, I will buy that at the store. I won't have time to make it. Okay, pine nut ice cream affogato. Wow. Drunken strawberries, or drunken hostess. Some more desserts, some more sweets, some more sweets. Frozen berries with saffron whip and chocolate sauce. That's something I haven't seen. Look at that beautiful picture. I want you to have a close-up. Wow. A very good vanilla panna cotta. I'm personally not a panna cotta fan, but you might be. Kind of gooey. Beautiful photo of the cake. Oh. Okay. Chocolate and rum pudding. Gorgeous. I am really impressed by this cookbook. I might have to buy this because it's a library copy and they want it back very soon. Chocolate chestnut meringue cake. Let's get out of sweets. Oh, no. Sweets continue. Okay, fine. Let's keep looking at sweets if they insist. Ooh. Olga's peppery vinaigrette. We must be in a different part of the book. It says, oh, extras. Yay. Homemade mayonnaise. Nope, do not have the time. Salsa verde. That I would make. A great all-round cocktail. You're getting thirsty. And here's menus for spring, summer, how to cook seasonally, etc. Wow. I wasn't expecting this to be so awesome. I mean, I thought it would be fine, but I didn't think I would love it so much. Right off the bat, it starts just heavy hitter. Bam. Awesome. So let me check out The Art of Cooking for 2 or 20. I didn't look to see if the recipes give you, for example, here's the roast pumpkin. Okay. They say hands-on time, hands-off time for 3 to 4 people, and then not sure where the stuff about cooking for 20 is. So maybe some of these recipes make more than others because this one's for 6 people. Okay. And tips on serving it with other things and okay. So that's helpful. That was A Table for Friends, The Art of Cooking for 2 or 20 by Sky McAlpine. I highly, highly recommend it. And if you'd like to see more cookbook look-throughs and cookbook videos, follow Cookbook Divas on our website, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, wherever your favorite place is, but we're not on TikTok or Twitter. None of those T sites. Thanks for watching.